When we think about the origin of our Earth and life, modern science believes on Charles Darwin's theory. He suggested in his book The Origin of Species in 1859. This was a most popular theory and still believed by biological sciences. This theory was based on the law of natural selection, which suggests that only the fittest species have the right to live around. This is a page of his book, The Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. The theory also suggests that apes are our forefathers and human life is almost 3.85 million years old, still believed by the doctors and researchers. But some tiny 300 years old screws just discovered in these days now challenge this theory and its creator Charles Darwin and its followers. In 1999, Zhilin Wang was the researcher who discovered this so-called Lanzhou Stone in the mountains of northern China. You can watch a screw embedded in the stone. As per researchers' point of view, this discovery was most valuable in China, also for the world, since it clearly challenged the postulates of Darwin's theory. The mysterious screws are about 300 million old and belong to the ancient pre-flood civilization of the offspring of Adam and Eve. The scientists deny Noah's flood. Another example is the 200 million years old ring of unknown material discovered in Geot. You can watch the ring. The material of the ring is still not detectable. Here is another screw which was discovered and is 300 million years old. This was discovered in Russia in the era of 90s and was believed as a great discovery. This was the discovery by a ufologist, a Russian researcher named Vadim Chernobrov. He was the founder of a group called Cosmopoesic Group. Curiously, the age of this Russian screw is an exact match to the one we found in Lanzhou, China. So at the same time, almost 300 years ago, there was a human civilization lived on our earth